analysis of RCC concrete 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. So if we have 100 cubic meter concrete, how do we calculate the total cost? And if we need to determine rate per cubic meter and cubic feet, how we need to do? So first of all, we will calculate rate per cubic meter or per cubic feet. Here we will calculate rate of concrete per cubic meter. So our first step is we will calculate the material quantity for 1 cubic meter. So first of all, cement. So total cement required is quantity of concrete multiplied by dry volume factor multiplied by cement ratio divided by sum of ratio. So quantity of concrete is 1, dry volume factor is 1.54, cement ratio is 1 out of 5.5. Sum of ratio is 5.5. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. So we need 0.28 cubic meters cement. So now we need cement in bags. So cement quantity in bags, quantity in cubic meter multiplied by density of cement divided by 1 cement, weight of 1 cement bag. So quantity in cubic meter is 0.28, density of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter divided by 50 kg per bag. So we need 8.06 bags. You can take approximate 8 bags or 8.2 bags. So now we will calculate sand. So for sand, the formula is quantity of concrete multiplied by dry volume factor multiplied by sand ratio divided by sum of ratio. So 1.54 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 5.5. So 0.42 cubic meter sand is required. So then crush or coarse aggregate. So for formula for crush is quantity of concrete multiplied by dry volume factor multiplied by crush ratio divided by sum of ratio. So 1.54 multiplied by 3 divided by 5.5. So 0.84 cubic meter coarse or crush required. Now we need to calculate water. So for water quantity, we multiply water cement ratio to cement quantity. So water cement ratio, we will take zero point 0.6 and 8.06 bag multiply by 50 kg per bag. So we need 242 kg or we can say 242 liters. Now for main power required, mm, for actual main power required, you need actual productivity rates of your organization or your country because productivity rate varies from every location to location, from every organization, from every country to country. So now for manpower, we will take standard manpower norm. So for standard skilled mason, we will require 1.2 hours, unskilled labor 1.2 hours. If we use mixer machine, we need zero point 0.4 hours, vibrator operator 0.4 hours, and water mass 0.2 hours. Manpower requirement change with the nature of the work. For machineries, exact same process, batching plant 0.06 hours, transit mixer 0.03 hours, concrete pump 0.05 hours. So we will summarize all the material, manpower and machinery equipment. These are the description, units and quantity of extracted material, manpower, machinery. You need to multiply quantity with rate. We will find the amount. So direct cost of 1 cubic meter concrete is 263.97. Now add overhead, contingency, profit and VAT to direct cost. So 10% overhead, 5% contingency. So amount direct cost plus indirect cost is 303.5655 riyals. So add 15% profit margin. So amount will be 349.1 and then add 15% value added tax. So total amount for rate for 1 cubic meter concrete ratio 1.53 is 410.7 riyal. So what are the cost of per 100 cubic meter current? Just multiply per cubic meter rate to 100. So you will find 41,000 70 real for 1000 for 100 cubic meters. So for 1 cubic second, just divide 410.7 divided by 35.32. So 11.63 real per cubic feet. Thank you.